Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution or video size in this device. Let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Let's tap on it. If you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see in this video settings section at the top, we've got the video size. So let's tap on it, and here we've got three different options, so 2 HDs and the SD option. All we have to do is to basically tap on the option we'd like to use, so I'll pick this one, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after whenever you will record the video, your device will apply the chosen size to it. It's up to you, of course, which option you prefer to use. However, this option, so the HD with 1080p, is the best available here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.